having a success story. Firstly, you have to let your mind update your heart on the fact, so you don't feel so hurt when reality come to play. At that point when you start feeling as if all things are not going as planned, that's always the point at where the chains of success is about to be loose. Please don't look down on yourself when falls. Let them laugh and gossip, just keep your head up and focus on yourself until the focus is on you. If you're waiting to feel rich until your pocket overflow, you may stay broke forever. Feel rich now and work toward becoming one. Keep on matching on, keep moving towards success. Even if you're going through hell to success, know success lies ahead of you. Do something, break the chains. There are 5 characters that are signs of becoming successful. If you have them, please stick to it till end. Number 1, positivity. With positive mindset, there's always a way to do and do it better. Stay positive. Number 2, actions. Act fast, don't just think and says. Take steps, take actions, keep moving on, be on motion with actions. Number 3, I'm struggling. Keep your head up. Don't look down on yourself when falls. Even if you fall on your face, you can't stand up to stay at your last step, so keep moving forward to conquer fear. Number 4, as a winner, learn how to win. Who seeks success shall find. Act now. Actions will delineate and define you. Number 5, deeds. Action is better than words. Well done is better than well said. Count your deeds. Know your worth. Your deeds, your everything achieved. To hear more from us, please follow us. Our Positive Mindset for Real. Instagram, A Positive Mindset for Real. Facebook, A Positive Mindset for Real. WhatsApp, A Positive Mindset Z1D. YouTube, Positive Mindset 840. TikTok, A Positive My Town 551. Twitter,